Hello, hi, I'm Jasmine. Today we're going to learn about drawing tools. It is very important for you to get to know your drawing tools because it will help you in smoothen your journey in completing your drawing. Okay, for the drawing tools, you can get it from this button, from the draw button where it stated there is line, ray, construction line, multi-line, polyline, 3D line, polygon, rectangle, helix, arc, circle, donut, spline, ellipse, block, and many more. I will only explain on the basic part, whereas the other command you will have to explore it by yourself. So if you wanted to get this floating toolbar, you can go to this window bar. You can right click on your mouse and then it will appear this button and everything is there. And if I click draw, it will be kept, it will be hidden. But if you click it again and there's a check symbol appear, then the draw toolbar is there. It's floating. It is also can be, if you push the button on the mouse, the right button, you can lock the floating toolbar, the panels. You can lock. Okay. So I wanted to show you these are the drawing tools. Okay, drawing tools. Let me erase this thing first. Okay. If you click this line, the best part about using the latest version of AutoCAD, it did not only tell you the function of the icon, it also demonstrate through step by step how to create the line like this. Number 1, 2, 3. Okay, let us try to do the straight line segments. You click it using your mouse, the command, you like giving command to the AutoCAD, please select this and then choose, click the location that you wanted to specify the first point here, and then you can move or if you have any dimension like 5,000, then you can enter the 5,000 dimension, just like push the space bar or the enter button. So that is the 5,000 millimeter line. How about going down for 1,000 millimeter and then you push the enter button? That is 1,000, and to the diagonal part for 2,000 millimeter, enter. And then if you wanted to tell the AutoCAD, you wanted to stop the function of the line, you can click the space bar in order for you to tell stop, I'm not going to use it anymore. Okay, this is the line tool, drawing tool. Okay, What is the function of this construction line? It creates a line of infinite length. Yes, it can use as the reference line or for trimming boundaries. Like just now, I've done the grid line. Okay. Let me give you an example. Okay. If I click the construction line, I'm giving my my request. I wanted to use the construction line. Okay, so the AutoCAD will ask, specify a point. Okay, what if I wanted to put this as the point? Just click it, and to stop the command, you have to click the spacebar. Okay, so if you zoom it out using your mouse or the toolbar zoom, okay, the zoom toolbar panel can give you zoom out. You can zoom out as further as you want, because this is infinite length, so it does not have any stop to the line, so you can use it as the grid line. Then same goes with the horizontal line. Just now that the vertical line, so we wanted to put the horizontal, also can specify the line. You click to ensure that that is where you want it to stop, and to stop the command you can click the space bar. So that is how it goes. That is the function of the construction line. How about this? The polyline. It creates a 2D polyline. It the differentiation between the line and the polyline. The line is a segmented element. For this one, you can try to click this line. It will only click that line, that 5000 mm line. If you wanted to click 1000 and then 2000, the diagonal line. But if you use polyline, okay, AutoCAD will ask you, okay, click the icon first, and then AutoCAD will ask you, specify first point. Okay, if I specify it to get similar as the line just now, I click here, and then 5000 mm to the right, 1000 millimeter to the down, to the south, and then the diagonal part is 2000. Enter, and then I just click towards the end point of the starting point, and then to stop it by using the space bar. And then if you choose the polyline element, it will choose all of the lines that you have done in creating the 2D image just now. Unlike the line, you have to select one by one. But for the polyline, you can select one line, it will automatically select all the objects that you have created. Okay, that is the difference of that line. And this is the polygon. Okay, so we click it here, and then it will ask the number of sides. Okay, let us try hexagon by 6 sides. Okay, then push the enter button, specify center of polygon. Okay, do you want inscribe in circle or circumscribe about circle? So let us choose inscribe in circle. Then you can have this. inscribed in circle, rectangle, yes, rectangle
sides
of
polygon.
okay, rectangle.
What if we
will
choose
ask
the
to specify first
circumscribe
corner types of polygon. Okay, you can add the size of the rectangle. Okay, you can try to put 1000 comma 5,500, so that is 1000 to 500 times 500 rectangle. If you click the arc, it will ask specify start point of arc center. Okay, what if we wanted to put 3000 mm arc? Okay, so it will give you the end of the arc and you can control it. Specify endpoint of arc. How many degrees do you want it? So sometimes we will have a reference like this. Okay, what if this is the reference for the arc? Okay, click the arc icon, start with the endpoint, then start to the 1000 mm. Yes. Okay, how about the cloud? Revision cloud is using for you to do amendment or to put comment on the drawing. You can click the revision cloud and then there is a command saying that specify start point or arc length. Yes, choose A to change the arc length. Currently it is 0.5, so let's change to 100. Okay, and then click the spacebar and change it to O for object, and then you select the object. There you go. Do you want it in the reverse direction? Obviously no. And that is your cute and fluffy revision cloud. Okay. Okay. Spline. Ellipse. What if you wanted to create an ellipse? Specify axis endpoint of ellipse or arc or center. You can start with arc. (1,500). That is. How about this one? Hedge. Hedge is okay. Let's take a look at the hedge. Okay. Hedge is fills an enclosed area or selected objects with a hedge pattern or fill. This is like you're rendering it into solid or into specific brick wall symbol. Yes. Okay. First thing is do the offset first. If you wanted to do offset 150. Okay. So if this is a wall, let's hatch it. Okay, what if we use this NC32 for a brick wall? Maybe to change it to 100 scale. Let's pick points. Click the spacebar, because just now you have seen that it is quite big, so you can change it to 20 and you can try to preview it, but the angle is quite not as per what we have learned. Maybe we can change to 45. Try to preview it. Oops. Next, change to 90. Preview. Yes, maybe we can use 90. Then we can click OK for the hatching part. Same goes with the solid, the gradient. And let's take a look about how to do a text. Click the icon, click where they want it to be, drag the space for the text, try to type it 100 times 100 mm glass wall. Change the size, the height, sorry, to 100 and try to click OK. I think it's very small, so the text height is not changed. So that is 500 mm height text.